Well, our senior leadership, the White House and the State Department are in the lead on that, of course, and I think they've conveyed that our hope is that those issues can be worked out between India and Pakistan. We've certainly expressed our interest in seeing humane treatment of the people there, but in terms of the political issues, I'll defer to my colleagues at State Department.
Thank you.
What makes you think that peace and stability in the region of Asia and Pakistan combined together to try and
I missed the first part of it. Could you repeat your question?
I want to know about the peace and stability in the region in China, India, and Pakistan.
Well, I think, again, our hope is that any differences, political differences, can be worked out through dialogue, and we'll continue to convey that message to all parties. I think the Chinese are in many ways engaged in competition with the United States, and it plays out in a variety of ways, mostly for us in the Indo-Pacific, the maritime areas. We'll see if the Chinese will be constructive in this area. They certainly could choose to be, given their interest there, but sometimes they choose to take a competitive stance where vis-a-vis we are. Sir?
Maritime of one country is just 12 nautical miles.
Maritime sovereign territory, yes. Yeah, well, we certainly want to get back to a place where we have a more normal military relationship and a close partnership. I think we've been clear in our diplomatic channels of some of the progress we think we need to see in order to reinstate things, and so hopefully we're on that path, and we'll see how things go. So maybe one more.
How strong do you think the chances of India Pakistan going to war over Kashmir?
We're certainly hopeful that things remain peaceful and that all issues can be worked out through diplomatic channels. So I'll just say that that's our hope and expectations that things will be kept peaceful. So thanks.